I demand to know right now why no one ever told me about gel polish. It's amazing. Now you know, so you can't blame me for not understanding. I love to do my nails. I don't care whether it's painting or stickers or even fake nails. I'll do it. I love it. I feel fancy when my nails are done. They sent me this gel polish stickers, and I thought it was just going to be like any other sticker because I've never used gel polish. As I was putting them on, I was shocked. I was shocked to find out how amazing gel polish is. Let me bring in the footage and I'll show you. It comes in this really beautiful packaging. Everything sticks in here so nicely so you won't lose anything. It comes with everything you need. An alcohol wipe to clean your nail beds, get all that oil, your own natural oils and anything you picked up around the house, clean that off. And then you have the file that you'll need in just a minute. The only thing it didn't come with was clippers, which I discovered while I was doing it that you actually need clippers. Fortunately for me, I had a pair of scissors in my car while I was waiting on my daughter to finish skating with her friend. And so I was able to use that to finish the process. And they also sent me this tiny adorable light that cures the gel. Now, do you know what happens when you cure gel? Because I had no idea. What happens is that it becomes super hard. And we'll get back to that in just a minute. That's what surprised me. I didn't know that. You get 2 sheets of stickers with all various sizes so that you could fit it to all your nails. And that's what the first thing I did was picked out the ones that would fit my nails the best and set them to the side. Better to go too small than too big. Once I had them all picked out, I decided to start putting them on both hands at the same time, which was a big, huge fail. Don't do it that way. Just do one hand at a time. I should have started with my non-dominant hand because then it makes doing the dominant hand so much easier. Once you've done it with the dominant hand, then doing it with the non-dominant hand makes it that much harder. But anyway, I figured it out, got all my hand done, and then I put it under the LED lamp. What I didn't know was that I can read the instructions, but I'm not really known for following the instructions to a T. And besides, I thought it was going to be like all the other nail stickers I had done. So I did my hand and cured it. And then when I came back to finish it up, which I thought I was just going to file it down, wow, it's hard like a rock. So I had to take the scissors and cut it off. So the next time, as I did the other hand, I thought, well, okay, let me cut it first. But I didn't have clippers. All I had was the scissors and I couldn't cut it with the scissors. So in the end, curing it first actually worked out better for me. This little light is absolute perfection. You press the power button here and it goes for the exact amount of time that you need to cure the nails. It's absolutely amazing. It has a USB plug, which I find weird. Why? It doesn't charge it either. It has to be plugged in for you to be able to use it. So it's USB, not to charge, but to actually use, at least to the best of my knowledge. It never charged for me. So if it's supposed to have a charge and hold a charge, it didn't do that for me. Regardless, you could plug it into your computer if you don't have a Mac and use it like that. Or in my case, I actually have chairs in my movie room that have a USB on it. So lucky me. On to my second hand. As I'm going along, everything's going perfectly. They go on easy. You can stretch out the sides a little bit to make them fit your nail better. Then I got to this tiny little pinky one and the whole thing seemed kind of off. I don't know if I forgot to pull off a piece of the tab. I don't know if it was an extra thick layer, but it never felt quite right. And even after curing it, it still never set right onto my finger. And you can see right there that it just isn't quite right as compared to the other ones. It's not all the way down like it should be. Then I got these all cured, including the thumbs. I was absolutely shocked with how amazing they looked. It made my nails so much thicker. My nails are usually paper thin and move. Normally you could just bend them right down. This gives it so much protection. As I was cutting it with the scissors, I cut it a little bit over the size of my actual nail. So it looks like my nails are longer and just all around better than they actually are. Look at this. This is amazing. The color is beautiful and vibrant. It's shiny and my nails feel strong and protected. Now, one bad thing. It came off. It came off when I was cleaning. I don't know if it was the cleaner I was using or what. Maybe I didn't get it set right. First time ever doing this, so it very possibly could be user error, but it came off while I was cleaning and it was just this one that came off. So I don't know if I sprayed it with the cleaner and the cleaner removed it or what happened, but I'm shocked. This was actually supposed to be part of a bigger video that I was working on, but it turned out so nice that I absolutely had to come and do a full review of this. I will link these for you below because if you've been looking for something that's long lasting and looks good and you don't have to go to the salon for it, I have found the answer for you. They also sent me some white ones and I'll be doing those soon too. I feel fancy. I feel fancy. This is fancy. I'm on the road to 5,000 subscribers and hop in, click that subscribe button, hop on and help me get there. See you real soon.